Oodua. We did for Asiwaju, our daddy, the president, 5 years ago, right in this palace. But one way or the other, Mama is busy. But today, we need to thank Mr. President for releasing the First Lady to come and do our own rights and our own honor in front of all of us. Because we don't really have time to celebrate our leaders, especially people like her. But today we are celebrating you, all of us, and that's why we are here. Lágbára Ọlọ́run Olódùmarè, oyè amórí o, ọ̀nà yẹn ńlá o, gbogbo àdáwọ́ lè yẹn ayọ̀ ń ṣeré, gbogbo ayé ò ní lu fún ijó, ẹ̀ ní ṣubú ẹ̀ ní dànù, ẹlẹ́ni ò ní gbà ṣe ń ṣe, gbogbo àdáwọ́ lè yẹn àmàyọ̀ ń ṣeré, ẹ máa lọ máa bọ̀ re, kó nǹkan bá lá. Ìdágìrì òun dá láti àndógún, ìdágìrì ayé ò ní dá yín. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe tukọ̀ orílẹ̀-èdè yìí, Ọlọ́run Olódùmarè, gbogbo ohun tí Ọlọ́run yẹ kó ṣe láti ẹpasẹ̀ yín ní orílẹ̀-èdè, Ọlọ́run àtúnṣe máa lò yín láti tún orílẹ̀-èdè tó. Gbogbo wa lẹ̀ káàárọ̀ oòjíire lápẹnupọ̀, gbogbo àwọn orí adé wà bí láti gbé oyè yìí fún yín. Lágbára Ọlọ́run Olódùmarè á mọ̀ yín lórí. Aṣíwájú rere tẹ́ jẹ́, lágbára Ọlọ́run Olódùmarè aṣíwájú lè máa jẹ́ lọ títí láyé. Gbogbo tí mo wúlẹ̀ ní àrọ̀ àrọ̀ mọ́. Àríbẹ̀ àṣẹbẹ̀ àríbẹ̀. Gbogbo ojúlùmọ̀ ṣó ti rí bẹ́ẹ̀ bí? Ṣó ti ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ bí? Ṣó ó balẹ̀ o, ó dàṣẹ o, ní àṣẹ olówódé ọ̀hún.
Your Imperial Majesty, with all respect, we want to honor Mama as you go ahead with the anthem of OAU. Being an alumnus of the Citadel of Learning, greatest effect.
Before you sing that song, because of all the prayers offered for the land by His Imperial Majesty, I also saw our former president, our father, His Excellency Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, GCFR. I mean, saying our share to all the prayers. Can we please put our hands together for Baba Olusegun Obasanjo? A round of applause for him, please.
Now we want to say greatest effect. For the greatest effect. If you are a buoyant and proud ambassador of your international renowned university, let's take that now. After Baba's confirmation. Thank you. Sir.
Now please, shall we put hands together for Her Excellency, the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. See the way Mama looks, very grandiose.
Mama dùn ún gbogbo ìgbà wọ́n ti ẹ̀ wá tún dọ́gbẹ̀rẹ̀ bí ọkọ tuntun lónìí. Àdán kú báyìí ni o ẹ̀ tí ẹ̀ ní kú báyìí ẹ̀ pẹ́ bàbá wa ti fàṣẹ lé. Yes. Èyí yé bàbá. So.
Now.
We're warming up for the greatest Ife anthem.
Now please, with the kind permission. Tí bàbá bá ti ṣe tán. Tán bá bù ṣe.
Tí bàbá bá ti ṣe ohun tí wọ́n ń ṣe bù ṣe, bàbá ò ní ṣe tán báyìí. Bàbá ń tẹ̀ wájú nínú ọ̀pọ̀ láti yè. With your permission, sir.
Great Ife anthem.
Great Ife anthem, do we go ahead, sir?
May I?
If you're proud of master of Ife, help you say
Africa's most beautiful. We are conscious, vigilant, progressive, and move forward ever, backward never, for learning and culture, sports and struggle. Great effect. I love you. There's only one great effect in the universe.
Another great
effect is a counterfeit. Great, 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 great.
Thank you.
Mama even dancing to that anthem.
Thank you very
Mama,
much.
you will live long.
Amen. Long may you reign, long may you live, and in good health. I can see Her Excellency going to pay homage to Chief Olusegun Obasanjo and the Sultan, and the former First Lady of Nigeria, Dame Patience Jonathan there. as well as His Majesty Giame Atuashe III. Alright. Excellency, distinguished Senator Oluremi Tinubu, we call her the Hillary Clinton of Africa. This is a woman who has done so much for our country. On our birthday, she donated the entire money she had, 20 billion naira for humanity. And that is what Ife is made of. If you know you are a woman, you believe in all the women of this world, they can do better. Can you put your hands together? Dr. Adiola, a waiting professor of art. Oh yeah, clap, let's hear it. Mama, you have done so well. We are proud of you today. We are proud of you. Thank you, and thank you very much indeed. As soon as the pictures are over with the wife of the Vice President and governors, the host governor, Senator Ademola Adeleke, leading all distinguished governors at this event, for a photo opportunity with Her Excellency, we'll be making progress. The senators' wives are here, ministers' wives and ministers are equally here. And I think it is going to be pretty very Herculean to get in all of them to take in pictures with Her Excellency. At some point, we'll keep this picture opportunity with Her Excellency at bay.
Ọlọ́lá ti lọ́bìnrin àkọ́kọ́ ní orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà nìyí. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin ìyàwó ẹ̀yin aláṣẹ tẹ́ wà mí, wọ́n máa ṣe ààtò bí ẹ ó ṣe bá màmá wa ya àwòrán. A dúpẹ́ fún ìdìde yìí, ayé á máa yẹ gbogbo wa o. Lọ́jọ́ ẹ̀yẹ tèmi tẹ̀yìn wò ní fẹnikẹ́ni wa pamọ́.
Yes, thank you very much, Yoma. I would like to seize this opportunity to invite the Vice Chancellor of Obafemi Awolowo University. Kabiyesi said you should be coming, sir. Kabiyesi said the Vice Chancellor should be coming. Please, let's give way.
That's my Vice Chancellor of the Oba Awan Universities.